Welcome back to my channel, all genders. Well, today I'm going to make bookmark with potato. Yes, you heard that right. I'm going to make bookmark with potato. Isn't it a crazy idea to make a bookmark with potato? Trust me, there's nothing to fear about. I am taking a white paper of 5 size and cut it into 3 equal parts. Children who are watching this video, do not use the scissors on your own, you can get hurt. But they can take the help of adults to cut the paper. There we go. Now I already have cut the upper part of the potato. At this part, I will cut and make a design. So here we go. This is a design. It's like a flower. I'm repeating for the kids. Kids, don't do it yourself. You can get hurt. So please take the help from adults. I'm giving the demo on my mini notepad. Have you guys seen my mini notepad video? Watch till the end of this video and you'll get a link of my previous video where I made the mini notepad. So wait, or you can check on my description box where I put that link. Go and watch it. I have used a different color I like. You can do it with the colors you like. Everyone has potato at their home. Grab one and make a design on it and use it. It's that easy. You can make different type of designs and use it on anything. I made this flower. You can make anything and use it on any kind of stuff you like. I'm making borders. I'm giving a little more details. It's nice to see. I love it. Let me know, guys, if you try it. Thanks for staying with me till the end of this video, guys. If you like my video, give a like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to it. Bye bye till the next Sunday.